Hi, my name is Mia. I learned FAM from Megan 2 years ago. This was around the same time that I had stopped taking my birth control pill, which I was on for almost a decade. The one thing that I would tell future clients about working with Megan is that she is incredibly supportive, not only while you are learning the fertility awareness method from her, but also after you learn the method from her. So even now, if I have a question or a weird chart, I can still reach out to her for support and help. What motivated me to reach out to Megan was her personality, which I was able to see through her Instagram account. She's extremely down to earth and she truly cares about her clients. Another reason that I wanted to reach out to her was because some FAM instructors teach from a religious standpoint, and that's not something that I wanted for myself. So I know that I really wanted to have an instructor that wasn't going to judge me for the decisions that I make or don't make in my charting process. My biggest and probably most exciting one was very early on when I was able to chart my first ovulation post birth control. My primary goal of learning from Megan was to replace my birth control with a natural birth control method. The biggest and most unexpected benefit actually for myself was charting for my health. So the first sign that I had that my thyroid wasn't functioning properly was from my chart, which I confirmed through lab testing later on. I also like that I can see kind of how I'm doing overall health-wise with sleep or stress based on how my chart is. My relationship with my cycle has transformed through charting. Before, I didn't really even know much about the different phases of my cycle, but now I know exactly what phase of my cycle I'm in at any given day, and I'm also able to kind of sync what I'm doing, eating, exercising to my cycle to best support my energy levels at that point in time. Something that I didn't think was possible is that I actually, like, my period is now one of my favorite phases because I know that I have to prioritize self-care and rest during that time. Learning charting from Megan was actually the only way that I tried to learn. Because I was planning to use this as my primary form of birth control, I really wanted to do it the right way and learn from a certified instructor that I felt really comfortable with, and I felt that way from Megan. From actually when I first found her on Instagram, and also even after we had our discovery call, I was even more comfortable with going forward with working with Megan and knowing that she was the right person for me to learn from.